How do you turn a skeptic into a believer with proof? Turning a skeptic into a believer is the same thing that goes on with your clients. Highlighting your value is not enough. You must prove it. You must make them believe you are the best situation. Our brains need hard evidence to justify choices, especially when there's a cost. You must show that your solution outweighs this cost. And here are some examples of proof. 1, customer story. Share a story about a similar client to demonstrate you understand their problem and can offer a solution. This relatable success story can build trust and show potential clients that you have a proven track record. Second one is a demo. Walk them through what working with you would look like, including scenarios and benefits. Third, use data to justify your fees. Show that your expertise saves time and money. And then the fourth one is vision. Help them visualize success, detailing the positive outcomes of working with you. Providing proof isn't just about listing benefits. It's about connecting with your clients on a deeper level and offering concrete reasons why your services are worth their investments. By sharing stories, offering demos, presenting data, and creating compelling vision of success, you can turn skeptics into believers and show that your value truly outweighs the cost.